Loop by nou. Ja. Wel, Stef.
She's got a copy of my book. She's got my business card. Why worry? Now I'm leaving. I'm going to election.
How do you feel now that you've seen Oprah? Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
I'm very happy. Bloemfontein, the Center City. Finally, she came.
She
Next
came
time
finally.
we want Nelson Mandela. We want Obama. We want all the honorary people here in
We want
Bloemfontein.
Tuka.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank
And
you.
I don't have food for tonight. Please supply me something.
What about you? Say something about it. Say something.
I'm from the newspaper. I don't have to say anything.